May the 23rd. Wanted to just give a quick market update as to what happened in the markets. It was a, wouldn't call it a bloodbath, but very close to it. The E-mini S&P 500, excuse me, E-mini S&P 500 futures down about 45. The NASDAQ, which saw NVIDIA crush its earnings, /NQ, was down about 100. YM/YM, which is the Dow Jones Industrial, was down about 640 points. VX, I know we keep talking about this, volatility futures, was up today for the first time in quite some time, still at record lows at 1390, but was up 30 cents today. Some of the metals, which was quite extraordinary, which I'll segue in a second about my silver position. Silver was down about $1.20, closed about $30.30 an ounce. And gold futures, wow, $60. It was down /GC down to 23.33. Heading over into my account, had some activity today. As I said last night, I actually took off my call spread in silver. Silver futures made a nice gain on that. BX, which was Blackstone Group, actually took that off, which was a strangle also for a nice gain. My biggest loser today, actually I had a couple of them, but one I wanted to talk about real quickly was BA, that's Boeing. I have a 155-220 strangle. Neither strike is in the money yet, but I have to keep my eyes on it because the stock was down about 14 points today. Not a happy camper on that front. The other one was Caesars Entertainment. I have a covered call. I did take off one of my covered calls today, made a nice gain on it, but the stock is just getting completely smashed. And I did put on another covered call to reduce my cost basis. But right now, Caesars it's tough. It's tough out there. DraftKings, DKNG, do have I have 400 shares. I've got 4 covered calls. This stock has just also been having a difficult time as well in identifying an uptick. Another loss that I can't seem to find an uptick on, and I'd love to hear your comments as to what's going on with Intel, INTC. I do have a covered call at 31. I have a naked put at 34. Look, the stock just can't seem to buy an uptick. The other stock that I wanted to touch base with everyone was LUV, Love, Southwest Airlines, where I have 2 covered calls. I got 200 shares, 2 covered calls. This stock is also was one of my unfortunate losses today. Really, my biggest winner today was, and I had taken it off earlier this morning, was AMD. Again, it probably had something to do with NVIDIA's earnings going to the moon. But again, it was a nice gain, and the stock actually over the remainder of the day ended up in the red. I will continue to keep you guys posted of my account. For those of you that did find value, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and send me any comments, any questions that you may have, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.